Hello?
G'day, Megan. It's Will Aitken here. Look, I know I'm calling you out the blue. However, do you have a moment to chat?
Yeah, I have a minute or two. Actually, I have 2 minutes.
I have two. That's a lot of pressure, Megan. I'm not sure if I can cope. The reason I'm calling you, Megan, is because I happen to notice a handful of the reps over at follow my stuff on LinkedIn, and I thought the rest of the team might get some value from that too. So I wanted to reach out, see if you might be facing maybe a couple of the two big problems I'm helping sales teams with right now. Do you mind if I walk through those real quick?
Yeah, what are the two big problems?
Yeah, so typically it's opening doors, prospecting. Oftentimes the balance of volume and quality is off. So they're sending a ton out, making lots of calls, but really low conversion rates. Some people have the opposite. They're really converting high, but they can't scale that. On the other side of things, it's more closing the doors, which often comes back to asking good questions in the discovery phase, which a lot of reps get focused too much on the product. Don't suppose either of those are problems that now, or your team absolutely crushing it?
No, we definitely see that. We have a more tenured team, so we're not seeing it as much as we did a year ago, but definitely comes up, especially with our SDR org. What company did you say you were calling from again?
I actually work for myself, so WillAitken.com, I guess, is my company. You said your SDR organization is more of the problem there, so it sounds like opening the doors and the volume thing would be more of the problems that I mentioned. Have I got that right?
Mm-hmm.
You said you had 2 minutes, Megan, and it looks like you've probably got a 2 p.m. meeting or something along the lines of that.
I do.
Would you be open to maybe 15 minutes next week, walk me through a little bit more about what the SDR team's doing on the last season side of the business?
Let me just take a look. I'm pretty busy in the next 2 weeks, but if you give me a call back on April 2nd, or if you want to send me an invite for April 2nd, I have time at 10 o'clock Eastern or 3 o'clock Eastern.
I'll send you one at 10. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that call, and I'll send over a bit of information ahead of that.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Appreciate
have a great
you.
one.
Bye. I'm a king.